Okay, so we are going to be looking at solution using determinant method. Okay, and we are going to be applying it to two variable, two equation systems. Okay, so now the determinant method has quite of a difference with the Cramer's method. Okay, so we are going to be looking at that in the three variable tree equation system, or maybe let's just look at it now. So looking at it now, the difference between our determinant method and our Cramer's rule method of solving systems of linear equations. Okay, so having the same listen. Okay, here it is. Okay, so this one we used it for a 3 by 3 three variable tree equation system. Okay, so x, you see here we have x equal to this, y equal to this, z equal to this. This was for Cramer's rule. So but for determinant method we are going to be having x equal to minus y over dy equal to 1 plus d. Okay, and then the second difference is this. Okay, so now in determinant method, instead of writing a1 a2 and then now instead of putting c1 c2 in front and then b1 b2 as here, where we put b1 b2 b3 in front and then the other part at the back, this is our b1 b2 b3. Okay, this is our c1 c2. Okay, that is another difference. C1 c2, they are at the left hand side, not at the right hand side. B1, B2, B3 are at the right hand side, not at the left hand side. Okay, so all these subtle difference. In short, just study determinant method independent of Cramer's method. Okay, and then from there you can point out the difference even from the notes. Okay, so now with that being said, you will see that our determinant method C1 C2 are at the left hand side, they are still positive. Okay, so this can be a negative C1, negative C2, but a positive. Okay, x, okay, and then now we have our D, which is this now to be a1 a2 b1 b2. We have our dx to be what, this 2, so x is gone, or so we just take this 2 like that. We have our dy, c is gone, y is gone, we just take this 2 like that. So I just put asterisk, when we write everything straight. Okay, if we write everything straight, a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, remember all are positive, so the asterisks are for the ones that have been removed, and then removed this. Okay, so solving 3x 2y minus 4y, this solving this using determinant method. Okay, so our first aim now is to find our d. Okay, and this is equal to determinant of a1, and our a1 is 3, a2 2, b1 minus 4, and b2 3. Okay, so this will give us, so 3 times 3 minus 4 times 2. So you see, I know my determinant. Oh, so this will be 9 minus is that will be plus 8. So this will give us 17. Okay, so now having solved that, let's go to the next one. Okay, so now before we can find our dx and our dy, let's look at our equation. Our equation says 3x 2x plus 3y. Okay, so but remember the c1 and c2, they are here not at the right hand side, so we are going to move them to the left hand side. So we have minus 4y, so taking 1 on the other side to become minus 1, so that will equal to 0. and then taking 12 to the right side become minus 12, that will be equal to 0. Okay, so dx will be equal to, so dx, we remove this and we left with minus 4 3, we left with minus 1 minus 12. So if we solve the determinant, we are going to get 51. So dy, we are going to remove this dy and be left with 3 and this. Okay, so 3 2 minus 1 minus 12. So this will give us the determinant of this is minus 34. Okay, so our equation is what? X over dx, sorry, 1 over dx equal to minus 1 over dy equal to 1 over dx over y. Okay, so we are going to take x over dx equal to 1 over d, and then we'll take, because they are all equal to each other, so we'll take minus y over dy is equal to 1 over d. Oh, so now x over dx, that is x over 51, is equal to 1 over d, that is 1 over 17. Oh, and then it means that y minus y over dy, that is minus 34, is equal to 1 over d, that is 17. Dy is 34, dx is 51, d is 17. Okay, so if we take this and we solve it, we have x over 51 is equal to 1 over 17. So x is equal to 51 over 17. So x is equal to 3. So y minus to cancel minus. So we left with y over 34 or 1 over 17. So y is equal to 34 divided by 17. So this will give us 2. Okay, so x, y is what? 3, 2. Okay, so this is the solution of the linear equation using the determinant method. Two variables, two systems, two equation system. Okay, so make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Okay.